Akwakhiwe iphasi esilifunako nekusasa eliphephileko lawo woke umuntu. Lesi isiqubulo se-International Universal Health Coverage njengombana iphasi lifuna ukuthuthukisa izenzelwa zepilo. Imphathimandla ziyavuma ukuthi ukwehla kwengogwana ye-COVID-19 uthinte kumbi izenzelwa zepilo bekwariyadisa netuthuko yokusabalaliswa zepilo ephasini loke. ISewula Afrika inotjhorensi yayo ebeyisolo isebenzana nayo kanti uPhaahla uthi kufanele iphasiswe.
We're quite positive that come the first part of next year, the National Assembly, at least that bill will be tabled in the full sitting of the National Assembly and it will get majority support. And once that has been done, then it will go to the National Council of Provinces.
ISewula Afrika iphelelwa sikhathi begodwa ihlelo layo lezepilo liyabogaboga kanti World Health Organization ithi indaba le kufuze iqalelelwe.
UHC, as we know, is the biggest social equalizer. It promotes health, equity, and efficiency. It improves health and well-being and fuels the engine of economy through healthier and more productive populations.
Uhulumende ubawe namaziko wangeqadi wezepilo ukuthi avele ngaphambili azokusiza ngeinsurance yezepilo lengombana abantu abanengi badoselemva abayamukeli kuhle. uPhaahla uthi bazilungiselela nokuthi kuzokuba khona abanye ababamangalelako ngayo. Imbethamthetho zithi i-Universal Health Coverage kufanele ikhupha abantu emhlakweni ijugulule ubujamo babantu abanengi begodu ivikele nomphakathi emhlakweni wezepilo. Nanyana kunjalo indabakulu kufumana imali zokuqinisekisa ukuthi umsebenzi lo uyaphumelela.